Hello, this is Harry Sommer, President and CEO of Norwegian Cruise Line. I have some exciting news to share with you today, but before I get to that, I wanted to thank you all for your support throughout 2020. Like for many of you, this has been a challenging year for our company, our staff and crew, and for all the travel enthusiasts who love NCL around the world. I have received so many heartfelt emails of encouragement over the last few months, and I want to thank each and every one of you for your loyalty and sincerity. It will long be remembered. I'm here with you today in the cruise capital of the world, inside our beautiful new terminal, the Pearl of Miami. And today, I have some great news to share. I'm so happy to announce that we have chartered a path to return to service. Our global team, alongside industry leaders and renowned health and safety experts, have rallied to help ensure that we resume operations safely so we can continue to provide unforgettable vacation experiences at sea. 2021 will not only bring the relaunch of the Norwegian Cruise Line fleet, but also reimagined port of calls, amazing itineraries for extraordinary journeys, fleet-wide enhancements, plus the much anticipated launch of our brand new class of ships, and so much more. While our ships haven't been sailing, we've been hard at work, innovating, planning, and preparing. We can't wait to share more with you as our journey back to cruising continues to unfold. Stay tuned for the latest health and safety information as further developments are announced. We thank you for your support and loyalty, and we look forward to seeing you aboard very soon.
We are going so far above and beyond, taking care of the health and safety of the guest and crew to make sure that everyone getting on board is in the right medical condition, ready for the cruise of a lifetime, and we get them home safely too.
We can sit here all day and for weeks to come and lament, but lamenting won't get us anywhere. We got to talk about the great cruise comeback. When we come back, we have a higher bar to achieve.
We connected with them immediately. They're great people, a great product that we serve in our district brew houses on board several ships.
Like any other business, we've been scrambling, trying to survive, you know? I think the silver lining in all this is, you know, how resilient our people have been. We're really proud to see that with the partnerships such as yours has elevated our brand and kind of like our stature, and when people see it on the shelf, they recognize it.
It's really touching and really heartwarming to see that we have so many dedicated team members ready to come back and is committed to bringing our ship's operation into the new level. I'm really looking forward to the day that I can stand at the gangway with my team to say welcome on board.
Almost paradise. We're knocking on heaven's door.
We're going to be the first live shows back on its feet.
How are you doing with the quiet time in New York?
I'm doing good. For performers, kind of hard being, you know, shut down for a couple of months, not being able to sing and dance, kick up a leg.
This is our moment to shine, guys. It's time to talk about relaunching. Norwegian Cruise Line is ready and is coming out stronger than ever.
This common thread of wanting to do good for the sake of being good is alive and well. And I've committed that we will not start cruising until I feel 100% comfortable.
We don't want this to be a lackluster vacation for anyone. We want to get back to being cutting edge. You come on board and you say, boy, nobody else does that.
When you take away entertainment, you take away so many livelihoods. And if we, as a company, can help, we're glad to do it.
I just get chills even saying that word, great cruise comeback. I love a comeback story.
I'm coming back, coming back, coming back, coming back again.
Welcome back.